I cannot wait to rip this thing now that we're finally gonna have some time with no traffic. This is gonna be a perfect night for driving. Very calm, very quiet. And then we got the V10 beast here. Come on, crosswalk, you can do it. Turning the sprint booster on to Sport 5 for now. We're gonna go race soon. Bad luck with the lights so far today. 20 seconds on that clock over there. This guy gonna straight up run the red? Damn, bro. This guy too. Let's go. Up there is where we want to get to. Big truck. So I've had the sprint booster on the car for like a week or two now, and I've been absolutely loving it. What I basically do, for those of you who don't know, if you want to see what the sprint booster does, I'll leave the video up above right here. We did a full install and test on it. Pretty much I've had the sprint booster live for like 2 weeks on the car. What I basically do is when I warm it up, I start it up, I turn it off until the car warms up and it's good to go. Then I run it in Sport 5 for a bit, which is like the middle sensitivity, and then I put it up to race 9, which is the highest you can go, and this thing just absolutely kicks. And as soon as we get up on this ramp here, I'm gonna set it to Sport 9. Oh my God, we made it. All right, let's fire this thing up. Push the M button too, even more power. And welcome to the Toronto Gardiner Expressway at 12:19 a.m. Rogers Center over there too. Let's have a little look at the fuel economy there right now. We are at 18.1 liters per 100 kilometers. Absolutely awful, but that is not why you buy the M5 E60. It's definitely not for fuel economy. I always like these little grass things they put on the side of the road here, the little brands, commercials. It is freaky out here. There's literally nobody. Here we go. fire truck. Sometimes cops like to sit right there. Oh, here we go. Honda up there is ripping. Nowhere to go. Oh, this guy's revving, he's downshifting. Fuck. Well, not exactly how we wanted to end the video, but I'm gonna cut it there. We're back home now, so hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, leave a sub, and really appreciate you guys watching. As always, my name's Chris, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.